Good day, travelers. I'm Jake, your guide and host, and this is Should I Go?, where we uncover the coolest, quirkiest, and most underrated spots around the world. If you love finding hidden gems and local secrets, hit that subscribe button, etc., etc. Today we're diving into Osaka, Japan's legendary street food capital, but we're skipping the usual tourist traps. From ancient shrines and lantern-lit alleys to deep-fried maple leaves and a giant lion's head, we're counting down 10 of the city's best-kept secrets even some locals do not know. Let me know in the comments below if any of these places tickle your fancy enough to add them to your travel list. And stick around until the end. Number 1 is absolutely wild. Ready? Let's jump into it. Kicking off our list at number 10, let's start with a place where you can literally time travel. This museum recreates a full-scale 1830s Osaka street indoors. Rent a yukata and wander through lantern-lit alleys from centuries ago. It's interactive, immersive, and perfect for a rainy day. The lighting even changes from day to night, adding a magical atmosphere to your visit. History buffs and Instagrammers alike will absolutely love this place. Upstairs, you'll find miniature models of Osaka through different eras, giving you a bird's-eye view of how the city evolved. Don't miss the old bathhouse replica. It's like stepping into a Ghibli movie. The staff here are super welcoming and often dressed in traditional clothing. And if you're lucky, you might catch a local festival demonstration or craft workshop happening in the event space. Coming in at number 9, stretch your legs and loosen your waistband because Tenjinbashi-suji is Japan's longest shopping arcade. 2.6 kilometers of food, bargains, and daily life. Munch your way through takoyaki, kushikatsu, and traditional sweets while rubbing elbows with locals. You'll find knife makers, second-hand bookstores, and tiny bars tucked behind curtain doors. It's where everyday Osaka lives and breathes. Start from the south end near Osaka Tenmangu Shrine and work your way north. Each block feels like a new discovery. You'll even spot century-old businesses still thriving right next to 100-yen shops and anime merch stands. Some shops offer hands-on experiences, like knife-sharpening demos or traditional sweet-making. It's less about flashy visuals and more about real-life Osaka, where grandmas shop for miso and salarymen grab lunch at standing noodle bars. At number 8, step off the beaten path and into Nakazakicho, a retro hipster haven. Just minutes from Umeda, this neighborhood is full of vintage shops, ivy-covered cafes, and street art tucked between pre-war wooden houses. It's got all the artsy hipster vibes without the crowds. Grab a fluffy pancake or an old-school hand-drip coffee and soak in this peaceful throwback neighborhood. You might even stumble into a tiny gallery run by a local artist or an antique shop selling 100-year-old teacups. It's the kind of place that feels lived in, loved, and endlessly photogenic. The community here is close-knit. Many shopkeepers know each other by name, and you'll often hear jazz or lo-fi beats playing softly in the background. If you're into slow travel, this is where you pause and take it all in. Some visitors even say it feels more like Kyoto than Osaka. Quiet, reflective, and creative to the core. And at number 7, step into Korea without leaving Osaka. Get ready for bold flavors and cultural mashups in Tsuruhashi, Koreatown. Tsuruhashi is full of sizzling BBQ, hotteok, and K-pop energy. Grab fresh kimchi, browse beauty shops, and treat your taste buds to bold, spicy flavors. It's also a cultural hub, rich with history and a strong sense of community. Walk a few blocks and you'll see Korean grocers, street vendors, and music spilling from storefronts. The atmosphere is loud, proud, and totally unique. Think sizzling grills and aunties shouting out deals on tubs of homemade kimchi. You can sit down at a smoky yakiniku spot or just graze through the street stalls like a local. There's even a Korean temple tucked into a quiet back alley, a peaceful contrast to the food frenzy. And if you're a K-pop fan, the music shops and photo booths here are next level. Number 6 finds us in one of Osaka's most atmospheric spots, Hozenji Yokocho. Hidden in the heart of Namba, this narrow, stone-paved alleyway is frozen in time. Follow the lanterns to local izakayas and tiny okonomiyaki joints. Don't miss splashing water on the mossy Mizukake Fudo statue for good luck. It's old-school Osaka magic. You can actually hear the shift in atmosphere as you step in. The noise of the city fades, and it's all soft footsteps and sizzling sounds. Visit at night and it feels like you're walking through a movie set. Some say it's haunted, others just say it's beautiful. Either way, it's a must-visit for a quiet bite or a romantic stroll. During the summer, the temples are illuminated and locals in yukata pass through after work. It feels like a scene from the past. Halfway through our countdown, number 5 brings us to Shinsekai, Osaka's retro playground. A little gritty, a lot authentic, full of neon arcades and kushikatsu joints. Ride Sutenkaku Tower for city views, then dive into deep-fried skewers. Just remember, no double dipping or face the wrath of Osaka's grandmas. It's loud, lively, and proudly unpolished, which is exactly why it's so beloved. Spend a little time here and you'll start to feel like a regular. There's even an underground Spa World, that offers themed baths from around the globe. Perfect after a day of food crawling. You'll leave full, sweaty, and grinning ear to ear. Retro game arcades line the streets, and you'll find old-timers playing shogi next to school kids munching on takoyaki. It's Osaka nostalgia, and it's alive and kicking. In at number 4, we're slowing things down for a serene escape at Sumiyoshi Taisha. This is one of Japan's oldest shrines, and it feels like walking into ancient history. Cross the iconic red Tsuruhashi Bridge, explore centuries-old grounds, and arrive in style on a vintage streetcar. A quiet, spiritual escape from Osaka's buzz. The grounds are expansive and lined with towering pine trees, perfect for a peaceful stroll. If you visit during a festival, the energy completely transforms. Drums, dancers, and vibrant traditional wear everywhere, and unlike more famous shrines, this one remains refreshingly local. People still come here to pray before exams, for weddings, or just to clear their mind. Even on a quiet afternoon, you might see a monk chanting or families quietly bowing before the main hall. The architecture here is unique too. It follows a purely Japanese style called Sumiyoshi Zukuri, with no Chinese influence. Number 3 lights things up with pure energy. Welcome to Nipponbashi Denden Town, Osaka's geek paradise. Denden Town is where anime lovers, gamers, and collectors unite. Hunt for rare manga, retro games, and quirky gadgets without the crazy crowds of Tokyo's Akihabara. You might even stumble upon a local cosplay event or themed cafe. It's a colorful, electric wonderland where every shop has something unexpected. Whether you're looking for a vintage camera, a mint-condition figurine, or a USB-powered cat paw massager, chances are it's here. And if you're new to otaku culture, don't worry. The locals are super friendly and happy to nerd out with you. You can even try your luck in one of the multi-floor gachapon stores. Walls of capsule machines with everything from keychains to collectible figurines. Denden isn't just for geeks. It's for the curious, the playful, and anyone who loves sensory overload. Number 2 takes us to the edge of the city and into the forest. Welcome to Minoo Park. Just a half-hour north of downtown, this national park is home to one of Osaka's prettiest waterfalls. Walk a leafy trail, spot monkeys, and try the seasonal snack momiji tempura. That's right. Deep-fried maple leaves. The air is cooler, the birds are louder, and the whole place feels like a forested retreat. It's one of the best places in autumn, but even in summer it offers shade and serenity. Along the way, you'll pass traditional tea houses, mountain shrines, and wooden bridges, all surrounded by rustling leaves and the sound of running water. It's a perfect change of pace from Osaka's hustle. And when the leaves turn red in late November, the whole valley looks like it's on fire. It's pure magic. And finally, number 1. It's bold, it's bizarre, and it is absolutely unforgettable. Namba Yasaka Shrine. You won't believe your eyes when you see this. A 12-meter lion's head with its jaws wide open. It is said to gobble up your bad luck and spit out good fortune. Snap a photo, make a wish, and stroll the nearby Namba alleys for takoyaki after your good fortune. It's an easy stop while exploring the city center, but it feels like a total surprise every time. There's also a calm courtyard here that's perfect for sitting and reflecting amid the urban buzz. During festivals, the lion becomes the backdrop for live performances and ritual dances. It's Osaka drama at its finest. And since most tourists miss it entirely, you might just have this larger-than-life beast all to yourself. That's our countdown 10 of Osaka's most surprising hidden gems, from ancient shrines to giant lion heads and deep-fried maple leaves. Which one blew your mind? Did this video help you decide if you should go to Osaka and experience these amazing places firsthand? Hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more hidden gems around the world. This is Jake from Should I Go? Saying cheers, and catch you next time, mates.